Welcome to Hierarchical Data Analysis with Power BI. Discover insights hidden in your data. First, we'll be talking about hierarchical data structures. Hierarchical data structures are complex but vital for understanding relationships within data. Power BI offers powerful tools for this analysis. We'll be discussing more into hierarchical clustering in Power BI. This allows us to group data points based on similarities, revealing patterns and relationships. Tree diagrams in Power BI visually represent hierarchical relationships, making it easier to comprehend complex data structures. And yes, lastly, we'll be talking about nested data models in Power BI, which enables us to organize and analyze data in a hierarchical format, providing insight into multi-level relationships. In conclusion, Power BI empowers us to analyze hierarchical data structures efficiently, uncovering valuable insight for informed decision. Thanks for watching.